This is part 2 of the beef barley soup recipe. Click the link above to find part 1. Follow my tips and procedures and let's get cooking.
Hello, Chef here with yet another beef recipe. What do we have here? This is a large beef pot roast.
This is part 2 of beef barley soup. Check the information above for part 1. Link.
I'm making beef barley soup. We soak the barley. Soak it at least an hour. Longer if you like. Okay, you want to remove some of the outer fat cap as well. A really good soup is not loaded with fat. Okay, so the other day a fellow asked me, Chef, what do I need a larger chef knife like this for? I'm never going to use it. And I said, yes, you will. It's good for all kinds of things. So you compare the two of these. One is for boning out the meat and the other one is for slicing, dicing. I'll work on my vegetables with this, everything. But this is faster to break this big piece down quickly. I'm going to cut this into a few slices like this. There we go. After I cut it down, I'm going to flatten it a little bit. Okay. This is all ready for soup now. Looking really. Ingredients here going in the soup: diced onions, diced carrots, some chopped garlic. Oh yeah. Beef stock the next day. It's been chilling. Now we're going to use our ladle and carefully remove a small amount of the excess fat and impurities, just like this. Discard this. After you do a tasting on the beef stock, you might find it necessary to add some more beef base. In this case, I'm adding about a tablespoon. Okay, first step then is to brown the beef. Before I brown it, I'm going to put a little bit of salt, as well as a little bit of fresh ground black pepper. I've got a hot Dutch oven. We're going to add a little bit of oil. We're going to start browning the meat. Let it cook. After the beef begins to brown, we add some of our onions and garlic. At this point, I'm going to add my soaked barley. And I'm going to start adding my beef stock. Let this simmer. I'm also using a second pan to saute some of the vegetables. Carrots go into the soup. Butcher block's one of my favorite surfaces to cut on. I love it. How do you know when a block is ready to be oiled? It's simple. This one was just oiled. It's beautiful. It's moist. It's wet. It's fresh looking. This one right here is about 10 years old and it's dry. I'll show you comparatively the difference of them here. I've also decided to add one zucchini and some red pepper for color. Okay, a real fast way to cut a zucchini. Top off, bottom off. Line it up. Your fingers rolled back. 4 slices. There we go. It's kind of a nice decorative touch. And for the sweet pepper, something you might not have seen before, cut off the top and the bottom, pull the center out, very cool. Remove the pith like this. This part does not taste so good. Discard that. 2 perfect halves, nice. I'm looking for a medium dice. Real quick with the knife here. Get good with the knife, you get really fast. Line them up like that. Okay, fingers roll back. Consistent cuts. That's what I'm looking for. To the soup. Soup is simmering perhaps a bit too fast. Turn down the temperature. Very slow simmer. Of course, we're going to be putting some champignons next. Mushrooms, finishing touch. They go in at the end. And I'll be back. Just got to get used to your knife and get used to using the tip of it. I'm just going to cut these into some thicker pieces like this. Okay, mushrooms are going in the soup. Okay, the soup's looking good. At this step here, at this point, I'd like to take a little bit of soup in a glass bowl and make sure I get a little of everything and give it a taste and adjust the seasonings. I want to make sure the beef is tender too. Oh yeah. Wow, it's good. It needs a pinch of salt. Oh, the finished beef barley soup. Looking really, really good. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Check out the recipes right here and make sure to check out part 1. Try this recipe out, come back, leave a comment, smash that like button and get cooking. Oh, it's gonna be good. So this one's kind of dried out. The surface is crying, oil me please, oil me please. And this one's fresh and ready to go. So that's the difference. You can see it right there. I highly recommend you get the mystery oil and or the board cream. You just apply it like this, little circular motion. Yeah. I prefer to use a plastic bag. I'm just gonna put it on like this. Oh yeah. Yeah. It's looking good already. And this block has given me years and years of cutting, chopping pleasure. Primarily this one's used for serving fruits and cheese. You can see it sucking up the oil. Yeah, the oil protects it, it penetrates into the wood, and it makes it last for many, many more years. Looking really good now, yeah. The other side, same deal. It's crying for some oil. Oh, let's give it the oil. There we go. Okay, the oil is on there. Circular motion, let it penetrate. Doesn't take very long, a little effort, but this maintenance is very, very important. So if you need to score the oil, if you need to order the butcher block, I highly recommend you visit your sponsor. They have about 50 years of combined experience in butcher block, and wow, it's the good stuff. Maple end grain, cherry end grain. Yeah, we gotta have that. When you want to see more, share it with your friends. And if you need custom butcher block, counters, tabletops, even this end grain, it's oh so nice to cut on, contact the sponsor. They're having a sale, and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there. Thank you for watching the presentation. Wow, it smells so good. I can't wait.
Professional cutting boards, chopping blocks, butcher blocks, custom sizes, many styles, all made in the USA. Countertops, walnut, oak, maple, cherry, all sizes. Contact sponsor.